Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So this is for our Forest River group, and our regular business page. If you haven't checked us out, it's Forest River RV Owners, Maintenance and Repairs in the RV Shop with Dustin. And so today behind me, we have two Micro Lites, and basically this first one right here is due for like a body reseal, insert molding. It's got some compartments and areas that are leaking on the coach. I did my inspection on it already, took a bunch of pictures on it, and it basically just needs some exterior maintenance and some minor like upgrades, bug screen, stuff like that. This other unit in here, same thing. I didn't catch the years of either one of them at the moment. It's in here for, I think, a wool burn pack and maybe some other maintenance work. So if you own a Forest River, we encourage you, no matter what brand it is, motorhome, travel trailer, fifth wheel, check out our group. I think we're just a hair over 20,000 or maybe 22,000. I can't keep track. They grow pretty rapidly, but we ask that you share, your pictures, problems, posts, no matter what it is, if it's repetitive or not. If your window's leaking, where's it leaking? Where did you find it? If a compartment door like this one right here is leaking, where's it leaking? What's going on with it? So it helps not only us to find stuff, but it also helps other repair shops, dealerships, and even the manufacturer. So when we're doing all these videos and pictures and posts on coaches, what we've been finding is that the manufacturers, they only know about the, we'll say the most problematic repairs, right? If it's a frame issue, roof issue, something, fire damage, electrical, whatever, something like a recall or bulletin. But what the other issue is that if the coaches, let's say, like I just recently went to Grand Design, and I said, hey, you're building a fantastic coach, but there's things that are happening 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years down the road that's making you look bad. If you just changed a few little items, it would correct all that. So that's another reason why we encourage you and others, for no matter what brand of unit, if you're watching this video, to share with us so that feedback can get back to them, so that they know what they can do going forward in the newer models for 2026 and on. So, all right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching. Check out our videos, check out our social media groups. We're on all platforms, and then check out our articles. So if you haven't visited us on rvtravel.com, I'm an author there as well, and they'll put, I think, 2 to 3 articles out per week, and then I have articles on our own page as well. If you're a DIY guy, and you're looking to repair stuff yourself, make sure you visit all of our playlists and try to help you. And then if we can, I try to reply back when I have time. And then we also have an Amazon page that has like a lot of different things that we're doing, whether it's, servicing the roofs, the bodies, the appliances, whatnot. So tools, tips, tricks, products on there linked, so that you can see what we're using, and you can purchase those through your local Amazon. So, all right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, RV Specialist. Have a great day.